Welcome to today's episode, where we explore the booming 3 opportunities for starting a business in Africa. Let an animal feed-making machine business. With agriculture being the backbone of many African economies, the demand for quality livestock feed is growing exponentially. The growing population and increasing demand for meat, milk, and eggs. Challenges farmers face due to low quality or expensive animal feed. How affordable, locally produced feed can address these challenges and become a profitable business. Livestock contributes significantly to Africa's GDP, providing meat, milk, eggs, and even employment. However, low quality and expensive feed hampers productivity. Farmers rely on imported feed, increasing costs. Locally available feed often lacks proper nutrition. Addressing these gaps with affordable, high-quality feed ensures steady demand and profitability. Statistics: Africa's livestock population includes over 400 million cattle, 1.5 billion chickens, and millions of fish farms. The demand for feed is projected to grow by 6% annually due to population growth and urbanization. Current challenges: feed accounts for up to 70% of livestock production costs. Many farmers cannot afford imported feed or lack access to it in rural areas. Segment 2. Types of feed. Commonly used poultry. Feed: starter feed for chicks, grower feed for maturing birds, and finisher feed for broilers. Cattle feed: dairy feed for milk production, beef fattening feed. Fish feed: floating pellets for commercial fish farming. Small ruminants: pellets for goats and sheep. Segment 3. Market potential: growing demand for locally sourced feed across African countries. Opportunities to supply farmers, cooperatives, and agribusinesses. Decide your niche based on local demand: poultry, fish, or cattle feed. Consider diversifying later as the business grows. Location: choose a location near your raw material suppliers or livestock farmers. Ensure sufficient space for machinery, raw materials, and finished products. Legal and regulatory compliance: register your business with local authorities. Obtain certifications to ensure feed meets safety and nutritional standards. Grinder mixer machine: combines and grinds raw materials into a uniform mixture. Pelletizer: converts feed into pellets of various sizes for easy animal consumption. Hammer mill: crushes grains like maize and soybean into fine powder. Dryers: removes excess moisture to extend shelf life. Packaging machines: weighs and seals feed in durable bags for sale. Semi-automatic machines: ideal for small to medium-scale operations. Costs range from $2,000 to $10,000. Fully automatic machines: best for large-scale production. Costs range from $20,000 to $50,000. Recommend trusted suppliers in Africa, China, and Europe. Raw material sourcing: identify locally available materials like maize, soybean meal, fish meal, cassava, and rice bran. Ensure consistent supply and quality. Cleaning and grinding: use a grinder or hammer mill to crush grains into fine powder. Mixing ingredients: add vitamins, minerals, and additives to balance nutrition. Pelletizing: adjust the pelletizer to produce a feed of appropriate size for poultry, cattle, or fish. Drying: dry pellets using a mechanical or solar dryer to reduce moisture and prevent spoilage. Packaging: use durable, branded bags for easy storage and transportation. Test feed for protein, energy, and mineral content. Adhere to international feed quality standards to build trust with farmers. Segment 12. Initial investment: breakdown machinery, $5,000 to $50,000 depending on scale. Raw materials, $2,000 to $5,000 monthly. Labor and operational costs, $1,000 to $3,000 monthly. Segment 13. Profit margins: typical selling price of feed per kilogram, $0.5 to $2. Monthly production capacity and profit estimates for small, medium, and large-scale setups. Segment 14. Scaling the business: expand to other regions with high demand. Diversify into complementary products like mineral blocks, premixes, or fish feed additives. Africa's love for spicy food is unmatched, and the global demand for chili powder is soaring. In this video, we'll take you step by step on how to start a successful chili powder business, from sourcing raw materials to marketing your product to a wide audience. The growing demand for spices globally and locally. Chili powder as a versatile product used in homes, restaurants, and food industries. Business opportunities due to abundant chili farming across Africa. Chili powder is a staple ingredient in African cuisines and beyond. The spice market in Africa is growing due to population growth and urbanization. Local demand for affordable, quality chili powder. Opportunities for export to Europe, Asia, and the USA, where African spices are gaining popularity. Local households, restaurants, and food processing companies. Export markets for premium, organic chili powder. Drying machines, solar dryers, or industrial dehydrators to remove moisture from fresh chilies. Grinder, pulverizer, crush dried chilies into fine powder. Sieving machine, separate fine powder from coarse particles. Packaging. Machines, seal powder in airtight, branded bags to maintain freshness. Costs of machinery. Small-scale setup. $2,000 to $5,000, manual and semi-automatic machines. Medium-scale setup, $10,000 to $30,000, automatic machines with higher output. Raw material sourcing partner with local chili farmers. Ensure consistent supply of fresh, high-quality chilies. Sorting and cleaning remove damaged chilies and clean the rest to eliminate dirt and contaminants. Drying process. Use solar dryers for cost-effectiveness or mechanical dryers for faster results. Ensure chilies are fully dehydrated to prevent spoilage during storage. Grinding feed dried chilies into the grinder. Adjust settings for desired powder fineness. Sieving, use a sieving machine to remove large particles. Collect fine, uniform powder for packaging. Packaging and labeling use food-grade, airtight bags. Add a label with product name, nutritional information, weight, and contact details. Brand identity. Choose a catchy, memorable name for your chili powder brand. Use bold, vibrant packaging that reflects the spicy nature of your product. Highlight your unique selling point. USP. Organic or preservative-free chili powder. Locally sourced and supporting African farmers. Local markets distribute to supermarkets, grocery stores, and open markets. Partner with wholesalers to expand your reach. Set up an online store for direct sales. Use platforms like Jumia, Amazon, or your website to target international customers. Share recipes, videos, and testimonials on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Run ads targeting spice lovers and culinary enthusiasts. Distribute free samples at food fairs, markets, and events. Offer discounts on bulk purchases to attract restaurants and caterers. Work with export agencies to send your product to international markets. Emphasize quality and certifications like organic or ISO standards. Collaborate with chili farmers for a steady supply. Partner with chefs, restaurants, and food bloggers to promote your product machinery, $5,000 to $30,000 depending on scale. Raw materials, $1,000 to $5,000 monthly. Packaging and branding, $500 to $2,000. Operational costs, rent, utilities, labor, $1,000 to $3,000 monthly. Cost of production per kilogram, $1 to $2. Selling price per kilogram, $4 to $8. Profit margins, 50 to 70%, depending on scale and marketing efforts. Add new spice blends, such as garlic powder or mixed spices. Scale operations by investing in fully automated machinery. Explore franchising or licensing opportunities in other regions. The animal feed making and chili powder business can transform your entrepreneurial dreams into reality with the right machines, strategies, and dedication. The demand is here, and the opportunity is ripe for the taking. Subscribe to the channel for more business ideas. Comment below with questions or ideas. Share the video to inspire others.